Matthew continues to churn towards our coast. Officials are urging people to start preparing. News 2's Macy McLeod is live at the Isle of Palms. Macy, yesterday you were at Folly Beach and people weren't too concerned about the storm. Has that changed at all today on the IOP?
It has, Brendan. The attitude out here today is much different than the attitude on the beach yesterday. People are starting to realize we will feel the impacts of this storm, and many of these people have never experienced a hurricane before. Some people are worried.
I am. I've never been in anything like this, so I'm a little nervous.
Some still taking it lightly.
I don't know. I think it's going to be fun. I've never been in a hurricane before, so we'll see.
But Isle of Palms Mayor Dick Cronin says these hurricane newbies need to start paying attention to how to prepare.
We have a lot of people on the island, and in fact a lot of people in the low country have never experienced a storm that potentially is a direct hit. And that's of concern to all of us.
He says it has been a while since the low country was threatened by a storm of this magnitude.
The last evacuation, I believe, was in 1999 when Floyd came by. Fortunately, Floyd stayed off the coast. The last real hit, of course, was Hugo, which was in '89.
And Hugo had devastating impacts on the low country.
Everything on the island was damaged in Hugo.
One person who is taking the storm seriously is Bill Ramsey in Mount Pleasant. He started boarding up his windows yesterday.
So we went through multiple hurricanes, and we live in a hurricane area, so better be safe than sorry,
He says he used to live in Florida and learned how serious the threat of these storms can be.
I think living down in Fort Lauderdale, kind of gave us a leg up in the sense that we had been through a lot of storms before, so we just know that it gets hectic as soon as the storm gets closer and the cone starts narrowing in.
He hopes the rest of the community starts following suit.
Try to help my neighbors, anybody that needs help in the neighborhood, we're stronger together.
And IOP's mayor urges people to listen to the evacuation recommendations. He says eventually there will come a time where first responders will evacuate as well, and then there will be no one left to help in case of an emergency. Live on Isle of Palms, Macy McLeod, News 2.